Hello guys, today I am showing you how to make e-way bill. First of all, open your browser and search e-way bill. Open the first website. Go to login and enter your username and password and fill the CAPTCHA. After filling your credentials, you can see that on left side there is an option of e-way bill. Click on downside arrow and click on Generate New. After clicking on Generate New, the new page will be open. Choose your supply type and subtype. As I am a seller, so I will choose outward and supply. Choose your document type and enter your document number. Enter your part IGSTN number and IT will fill your bill to section automatically. It is compulsory to enter IGSTN details of your party. Enter your product name and its description. It is compulsory to fill HSN code. If you don't know your HSN code, you can search on Google. Enter your product quantity and its unit. Don't forget to fill its value. Enter your GST rate if it is minus 12%. Enter the vehicle number. Click on Submit. I am not submitting because I don't need e-way bill now. After submitting, you will get the e-way bill.